Actually, it's not the new spots, it's still shallow water. It's Asprokremmos Dam in Paphos area. Really, I like this dam. It's quite a difficult dam, not so easy to catch the fish. But today, especially for these spots, I'm gonna use Texas rig. Okay, this is the bullet, 8 grams sliding bullet, then a hook, offset hook, number 2, and the plastic worm, dark color, 4-inch. Very important how to find fish with a Texas rig. It's a bite, it's a bite. Yes, yes, good one, yeah. Oh, it's got very nice strike, guys. Very nice strike. Yes, you see, Texas, do it. Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Vadim Lazitsky and my channel about fishing in Cyprus, Cyprus Bass Guide. Alright guys, so today I came just for 2 hours to check some spots, and I've been last time here like maybe 7-8 months ago, last year, let's say, long time. So what I see now, I see changes now, right now. Actually the water go down, water level changed, some spots where I used to fish before gone. Actually, it's not the new spots, it's still shallow water. It's Asprokremmos Dam in Paphos area. Really, I like this dam. It's quite a difficult dam, not so easy to catch the fish, because if you don't know the spots and you don't know techniques to use for these spots, so your day can be with a zero fish, really. It's happened to me sometimes as well, guys. I'm not a god, I'm not a guru, I'm just learning fishing and I love bass fishing like you guys. So today I'm gonna show you a special tip, and I think special for these spots with the shallow water and the bottom with the stones and the rocks, and I have some wind now. To use other lures in the windy in the shallow water, actually it's not useful, let's say. Of course, it's some people gonna try like the spinner baits, maybe like minnows, but today especially for these spots I'm gonna use Texas rig. Okay, this is the bullet, 8 grams sliding bullet, then a hook, offset hook, number 2, and the plastic worm, dark color, 4-inch. Remember these things, guys, and the fluorocarbon, of course, I mentioned before. It's like 15 lb size of a fluorocarbon, and I put around 1.5 meter. So let's try. I'm gonna explain a few tips how to work correct with a Texas rig, and we will see if any bass here. Okay, let's go, let's do forecasts. Okay, let's start. It looks like the shallow water actually, and here I see also the clear water. It's very important. Actually in this situation the wind help us, because sometimes it's when it's so quiet, no bites at all. It's not cold wind, and in these spots, if you see very shallow, so the best way to try with the Texas. So I will try with the Texas rig. Bait is worm, plastic worm, 4-inch. Dark color. So you see what I'm doing now. Be careful, okay? This is my reel. So I'm playing with my rod, okay? And I stop. And I do everything so quiet, so it's intensive, you know? Do not do any movements like this for the Texas. Sometimes, depends of your lure, of your bait, it's possible to do such things, but I prefer very slow, with the pause, so you can control, you can feel it, all the stones on the bottom, rocks, what's going on. Because any change of the structure on the bottom, especially in big stones, and you feel it, big stone, you stop, and usually in this moment, usually you have a bite. Okay, I'm just start today the short fishing, guys. I just want to show you especially the Texas technique. So I'm not gonna use others, because from my experience, especially in these spots as well, it's very good for such techniques what I'm using now. Of course, it's also nice for the popper, top water lures, and for the minnows, but not now. Sure, for the popper it's early morning or evening when everything is quiet. But in the daytime, when I'm fishing now, it's actually afternoon, okay? It's best way to try with the Texas. Of course, sometimes useful and let's say, yeah, I forgot it, drop shot, sorry. Sometimes it's useful also the drop shots. Okay, I will see this, I will check the spots and we will see what's going on today. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, one very important thing when you are fishing with a Texas rig in the shallow water. The shallow water, the bushes, is not enough for Texas technique. Very important how to find fish with a Texas rig. It's to feel the bottom and understand what's going on. Because when I'm saying about the shallow water can be absolutely different structure of the bottom. It can be soil, it can be grass, it can be rocks, it can be big stones, small stones, any other kinds. So the questions, how to choose the correct structure of the bottom for the Texas fishing, for the Texas rig. So you see, I'm trying here, I'm trying there, I do few casts, 1, 2, 3 casts, and I'm moving. When I feel stones and rocks, and every time I do slow movements, you see, I'm doing 1 and I'm waiting, pause, and I'm waiting. Very small movements. And I feel when I bullet, it's stuck, or let's say jump. And you can feel very good when your bullet stuck in somewhere between the stones, or you can feel the rock, let's say. Every time you feel difficulties with the stones, it means you're in correct spot. In these spots, usually stay bass, so you can expect very soon bite if you're doing everything correct. I mean, not in hurry. Do not do everything, as I say from the beginning. Be patient. Do not do fast, quick movements, quick behaviors. Bass really don't like it, these things. Try to do everything delicate, what I like to say. It's like delicate. It's correct word for this technique. Okay, I found few stones here. We will see now. Good structure, definitely. If I feel some stones, a very good structure. And also I pay attention on big stones and the rock structure already here, what I can see outside of the water. So if you see outside of the water kind of rock with the stones you see behind me, so something similar inside. So you're in correct spot. In these spots, pay attention more and pay concentration. In other things, if you feel at the bottom it's very soft and you don't feel any structures, any stones, so leave this spot immediately. You're just wasting your time. Believe me, you're just wasting your time. if you find something difficult, something not straight, something not plain, this is the spot where you are. It's a bite, it's a bite. Yes, yes, good one, yeah. Oh, got very nice strike, guys. Very nice strike. Yes, you see, Texas, do it. Okay, here we are. It's around 1 kilo bass. Nice fish. All right. So, guys, you see, everything is done correct from my side. What I'm talking about, I'll show you closer now. So, nice fish. Just 20 minutes pass. I have first bite. The first bite I lose, and the second one, yes, I got it. So actually everything, what I said from the beginning, I mentioned that in the shallow water it's very important to understand what techniques to use, and I choose Texas rig with 8 grams bullet, and you see this is the results. First our bass, nice, very strong strike. Actually it's like 3 meters from the shore. Okay, I'm gonna make some photo and let them go back. Nice start, nice fish. Okay, as you see, I got first fish, guys. So I'm do everything correct. The worm, just I try 20 minutes warm. I lost first bite and the second nice bass. So everything doing well. First of all, I choose the correct spot that I mentioned before. I feel the structure and I start concentrating, and immediately, and a pause, very close actually. The first bite I didn't realize, and the second you see was very nice bass. So let's continue on. We are in correct way, so I'm doing everything right. Okay, it's something like the bite was. I'm not sure. Yes, it's a bite, it's a bite. So you see, I'm waiting because he touched and he's not moving. Somewhere in the stones. Okay. Okay, I'm awaiting him. Come on. What's happened? It was a bite and he stopped. I'm gonna play with him a little bit. Very interesting bite. What's going on? So, okay, I will try one more time in this area. Sure, definitely was a bite. You know, like 2 times, like 1, 2. I was ready to make the strike, and suddenly he stopped. The structure you see here, the stones, so the same I'm realized there. Okay, let's try a second time. Maybe he's somewhere in this area, and we'll see what's happened from the second time. Okay guys, actually it was very short video. Few very important tips I mentioned today, and I show you about the Texas rig, how to use, how to make useful casts if you really want to catch the bass. First of all, the spots, the weight, I remind you one more time, it's 8 grams up to 10 grams bullet. I didn't use very heavy bullets. I prefer the light bullet, so you can feel it bottom. much better. So also mentioned that sometimes it's work with plastic worm, sometimes it's better crawfish. Today was the plastic worm. I tried a few minutes with the crawfish, no bites at all. It was 2 bites, 1 fish. I fished today less than 2 hours. Next time definitely I'm gonna stay more time to show you more bites. But today it just was a short small video, and you saw the results. It was beautiful bass, beautiful bite with the Texas rig. So I think you like it. If you like it, put the likes, sign on my channel, and very soon I will show you more videos about bass fishing in Cyprus, more secrets, more tips. I promise you guys. All right, take care. Bye bye.